Across the street, the first thing that stands out is color. Deep red brick, patterned tile, and the details of this historic building. Originally built as a hospital in the early 1900s, St. Pau wasn't designed to feel cold or clinical. Architect Louis Montaner believed healing came from the beauty, light, and nature, and it shows in every detail. As I cross the iron gates, the tower rises above murals and sculpted stone, and everywhere you look, there's intention. Angels, flower patterns, mosaics, and symbols woven into the architecture. St. Pau is Barcelona's most beautiful and lesser-known landmarks. As we leave St. Pau behind, the walk towards La Sagrada Família passes through a quiet park. With trees framing the path, for a moment, the city softens and gets quiet. Through the foliage, the Basilica appears. Not all at once, but gradually. People show their steps here. Some stop completely just to look, and no matter how many photos you've seen, the first glimpse is unreal. Standing in front, the stonework rises like something grown, not built. Windows twist with organic shapes, circles, triangles, curves. No two sections quite the same. Carved into the facade are scenes filled with motion, knights, kneeling Christ on the cross, horses frozen mid-stride, figures caught between struggle and devotion. Up close, the contrast is striking. Older stone appears darker, weathered by time and pollution, while newer sections are brighter, cleaner, almost sharp. It's like watching centuries overlap in real time. Some sections are still wrapped in scaffolding, a reminder that this basilica has been under construction for more than 140 years. The towers stretch skyward, 18 in total when complete, each one symbolizing figures from Christianity, like the apostles, evangelists, Mary, and Jesus himself. Their tops are crowned with colorful, almost surreal ornaments, stars, wings, and other geometric forms. With the crowds growing heavier and the tickets long sold out, I leave the basilica heading towards the water to get a different rhythm of the city. Here, Barcelona opens up again. The Columbus Monument rises near the port, boats glide across the water, and the city breathes. Music drifts through the air. Next to me, a group dances, bachata, salsa, strangers moving in sync, tourists and locals pulling together by rhythm instead of architecture. This is a place to be. Thank you for going on a tour with me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. See you next time.